Welcome to the Maths department. If you enjoy maths, have a positive approach to work and like to engage in lessons, then we would love you to join us. Maths is the most popular subject in the country to study at A-level. Yes, more students choose A-level maths than anything else, but of course that comes as no surprise to us.
At A-level you obviously have a lot of work going on. Do you feel like you get enough support at A-level? How do you get your support?
Yeah, I think so. I think the teachers are so helpful, especially when you email them to find answers like you. And it's very speedy replies. It's very helpful.
I pride myself on my speedy replies.
I mean, if I'm struggling to understand something, I'll go to my teacher and I'll be like, I don't understand, can we sit down and go through it again? And I find that all the maths teachers are very accommodating of that. So.
I think one of the strengths of our school actually is that we have 5 A-level maths teachers, so there is an abundance of maths teachers if you need to get help. And obviously we also do the revision sessions, which we run throughout the whole of Year 13. And they are well attended, and it means that we can just identify any topics, like next week, you know, we're doing logs and exponentials because that's what you wanted to do.
Maths A-level, wherever you choose to study, covers pure topics as well as applied. Pure skills build on your GCSE knowledge of algebra, trigonometry and graphs and introduce you to the exciting world of calculus. At Dover Girls, we cover all of the pure A-level content before moving on to the applied. We find that this gives students plenty of time to become fluent in the most challenging topics. The applied content makes up a third of the A-level course. It prepares students to enter a workplace where they can utilise their mathematical skills and understanding. We explore mechanics, which gives a greater understanding of the world around us by modelling forces and movement. And we look in more detail at statistics and the use of technology to analyse and interpret large sets of data. The mechanics topics will be of particular interest to students studying physics or design technology, and the statistical content supports those studying psychology, geography, economics, business and biology.
And what are you wanting to do at university?
A maths degree.
Maths degree, lovely, that's what I like to hear.
I want to do medicine with a Bachelor's of Science degree in biomedical engineering.
Wow, that's quite heavy, isn't it? Now, we actually have a lot of engineers. Loads of our students want to go off and do engineering, don't they? All sorts of different engineering topics. And I think sometimes with the further maths A-level, people don't realise that if you want to do something like civil engineering or mechanical engineering at the top universities like the Cambridge and Oxford, you actually need to have further maths to even enter, to even apply for those universities. So I think that's something that studying further maths, people need to realise if they want to go into a high level engineering, and that's worth them knowing about. So what are your favourite areas of maths?
Mine's mechanics. I really like it. It's very different. It's kind of the same but different to the physics mechanics, but I prefer the maths mechanics personally.
Yes.
I really love calculus, so differentiation, integration, and using it applied as well. I really find really interesting because it's kind of having a more theoretical, abstract concept and then putting it into something that's real.
Yeah.
I quite like that.
Yeah, that's what I always say about with the mechanics. It's lovely to solve simultaneous equations and quadratic equations. We could solve them all day long if we wanted to. But when you start actually doing mechanics, you're understanding that there's a reason behind for those numbers to be there, that they're meaningful, and choosing the relevant answer. Yeah.
Studying maths at A-level is a wise choice for investing in your future. In the UK and across the world, there is a desperate need for individuals who are skilled in numeracy, reasoning, logic and problem solving. The BBC showed the average earnings of graduates 5 years after finishing university. Have a look at the biggest earners. To apply for most of these degree courses, you need to have studied maths at A-level. Here at Dover Girls, we also offer further maths at A-level. This is in addition to the A-level in maths, and is for those who have a real passion for the subject. We explore completely new, pure topics such as imaginary numbers, hyperbolic functions and polar curves. These will be relevant to you if you are thinking of studying at the top universities a degree such as maths, finance, engineering, physics, economics, or computer science. We also study 2 applied areas in further maths. Further mechanics, which covers and expands on the physics topic of energy and elasticity. And we study decision maths, which is great for any computer scientists as we look at the maths behind algorithms and project management. So, if you're thinking about studying maths with us, and perhaps further maths as well, please have a chat with your teacher or get in touch. We're so proud of all our mathematicians as they grow in knowledge and confidence over the 2 years and progress successfully into apprenticeships, the workplace and university.